Hey everyone, it's your girl Coco and welcome to my channel. Today I'm making my son's costume for his school's Halloween photo taking competition. The theme this year is witches and wizards. Given the theme witches and wizards are super common, I really wanted to incorporate something that was a little unique for his photo taking. Guys, this is the first time I'm doing my vlog out in the sitting room, so there's gonna be a ton of noises and distractions. So in addition to just putting together a witch and wizard costume, I also wanted to implement some Filipino folklore into this. In terms of Filipino folklore, and yes, I have my trusty aid with me today, kulam or mangkukulam is a form of black magic used in Filipino folklore. So it's used mainly to inflict misfortune, illnesses, or harm, usually using personal items or chants. However, this type of sorcery can also be used the other way around, meaning healing, love. So to do this in a fun and child-friendly way, this kulam is going to be the kindred spirit along with her young, trusty wizard aide. Okay, so in terms of materials, you will see in front of me and on the side all of the things that I plan to use in preparation for Dylan's photo shoot. I have some paint in front of me. I have some bottles that I'm going to use and fill up with water to make it some sort of like colored potion. I also have my makeup here on the side, and I'm gonna get into detail in just a bit around some of the costumes that I did. Before I go ahead with my makeup and putting on the final product, I'm going to put some of the props together. And for that, Nacho has to go and take a hike. I'm sorry. First, we're gonna fill these jars with some colored paint. I'm going to ask my trusty assistant here to help me pick some colors. All right, we have purple, brown, black, red. What do you want for the first jar? Can you pick?
I want
What color?
red.
Red, and you want to do it for the big one? Okay, so let's do this. Fill this here. All right. And we're going to mix.
Wow.
Do you want to mix this for me?
Yeah, I want to help you.
Could you put that there? Here.
Oh, okay, that's my favorite color, red.
All right, go ahead. All right.
Oh, my favorite.
And then we're going to do the next one. What color do you want for this?
Black.
Black. And then we'll do purple.
Wow, it tastes very red. Wow.
Just mix it, okay? These are potions.
These are my favorites, and those are my favorites. Yeah, I put my hand inside. Touch it?
No. Okay, keep your hands. What we're going to do is we're going to clean this up. Can you also mix this, please?
Wow,
Mix
it's
it for me.
black.
Yeah, mix it. Okay.
Wow, this is very not good.
All right, my not so helpful servant, can you go and get me some more water, please?
Oh.
Thanks. Go into the kitchen, get me some more water. Not helpful. So here you will see in front of me are all of the finished products. These are the potions and are made out of water with paint. Before we put everything together, we are going to do our makeup. I don't know how this looks.
You
Hi.
said it's really
Do I look
nice.
like a witch?
Yeah.
All right, I don't know how I look, but let's just go with it. I'm gonna take out my hair clip, my hair tie, and then I'm going to put on my outfit. It really helps that my hair has grown so long. This is how I'm going to look. I'm probably gonna add on some fake black nails, gonna take my earrings out. My son is going to wear something similar, but he's gonna have a smaller hat and he's going to also wear a cloak. Such a fun project. I cannot wait to see how the photos turn out. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys next time in Life with the Coco.